Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Unong yalam jangka NPP, urakam sangma, ubalongru menteri kasorka jala, haka khalai tarik unailar arjar psau. Uloong ba ka NPP kalong ka bakloi ban Pdiang Lada ki Ngut ki MLA jangka Kongres ki wan Pynïasoh syaka parti. Haka jekran bat kilat pathai khubor. Urakam uloong ba ka NPP ka kloi ban Pdiang la kalong yaki MLA ne wat yaki nong yalam jangki weipat ki seng san parthai. Tangba uloong pat ba omdan jingtep satia la kalong em ka basisha kumbalami hakilat pathai khubor ba ki Ngut ki MLA ka Kongres kin Pynïasoh syaka NPP.
I'm not speaking as a leader, but to me NPP will definitely welcome anybody, be it a leaders, be it a MLAs to join. I think so. So it's a good move to welcome them if it is true. If this news is true, but I don't know how true it is. In politics, any direction, disciplinary action never happen. It's a democratic setup. So unless through the self-inspired, right? So maybe it might be their own decision on this. So it is. I think nothing to do with NPP. I don't think so, right? So maybe have their themselves maybe thought of this. So it's very good to work together, because after all, at the end of the day, we are serving for the people. We are here to develop a road, we have to build a school, we have to build a hospital. So sometimes it's politics. So if it is black, they have to make it white. They have to say, for the opposition work is always to have a different mindset. So sometimes the council doesn't help. Sometimes consent doesn't. So, but for the sake of opposition, we have to protest, we have to oppose, right? That is being done for the sake of doing this, not from the inside. So, I think if that news is true, it's a very good news.